Hello everyone, today we watch safety testing videos of 3 Hyundai and 1 Toyota models that were tested by the Insurance Institute for Facility Safety. First is the Toyota Grand Highlander 2024. The 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander, despite performing well in several safety tests conducted by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, fell short in the driver's side small overlap front crash test, a crucial evaluation for earning the prestigious Top Safety Pick Award. While the Grand Highlander earned an acceptable rating in this test, a good rating in this particular evaluation, along with 3 other crashworthiness assessments, is essential for a vehicle to qualify for the Top Safety Pick accolade. During the driver's side small overlap test, the safety cage designed to protect the driver was somewhat compromised. Additionally, the driver dummy's head deviated towards the gap between the front airbag and the side curtain airbag during the crash. Despite this setback, the Grand Highlander showcased commendable performance in other IIHS evaluations. It received good ratings in the passenger side small overlap front, original moderate overlap front, and updated side tests. Furthermore, the standard crash avoidance system demonstrated superior performance in both daytime and nighttime vehicle-to-pedestrian front crash prevention evaluations. Additionally, all trims of the Grand Highlander come equipped with LED projector headlights, which earned acceptable ratings. Overall, while the Grand Highlander exhibited strong safety features and performed well in various crashworthiness and crash prevention tests, the performance in the driver's side small overlap front crash test prevented it from achieving the Top Safety Pick Award from IIHS. The 2024 Hyundai Ioniq 5 has achieved the highest award, Top Safety Pick Plus, thanks to its solid rear passenger protection and a good rating in the updated moderate overlap front test. This electric small SUV demonstrated excellent rear passenger protection, keeping the dummy's head at a safe distance from the front seat back, and indicating low risks of head, neck, or chest injuries. Hyundai Ioniq 5 model year, 2024. Achieved the highest award, Top Safety Pick Plus, thanks to its good rear knee protection and good rating in the updated moderate overlap front impact test. Provides excellent protection for rear seat passengers, keeping the mannequin head at a safe distance from the front seat back and presenting a low risk of head, neck, or chest injury. Scores well in other IIHS tests, including updated side crash tests and headlight and pedestrian collision avoidance systems. On the other hand, the 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe and Sonata received lower-tier Top Safety Pick awards. The Santa Fe fell short in back seat protection, with the second-row restraints allowing the rear dummy's head to approach the front seat back, increasing the risk of injury. Similarly, the Sonata performed worse, indicating a high probability of injuries to the head, neck, and chest of the second-row occupant. Hyundai Santa Fe 2024 awarded Top Safety Pick 1 category lower than the Ioniq 5. Having difficulty protecting the rear seats, with the second-row restraint system, allowing mannequin heads in the back seats to approach the back of the front seats, increasing the risk of injury. Scored well in other safety tests, but did not score well in the updated moderate overlap front crash test. Hyundai Sonata 2024 also received the Top Safety Pick Award with similar performance to the Santa Fe. Even worse, with the high probability of head, neck, and chest injuries of passengers in the back seats. Similar to the Santa Fe, it scored well in other safety tests, but did not score well in the updated moderate overlap front crash test. All 3 Hyundais performed well in other IIHS tests, meeting the criteria for both Top Safety Pick and Top Safety Plus awards. These criteria include earning good ratings in the small overlap front test, updated side test, and having acceptable or good rated headlights across all trim levels. Moreover, the vehicles must have an acceptable or good rating in a revised version of the pedestrian front crash prevention evaluation. The Ioniq 5, Santa Fe, and Sonata meet these requirements with either acceptable or good rated headlights and good ratings for pedestrian crash avoidance systems. It's worth noting that the Ioniq 5 was initially announced as a Top Safety Pick winner before the results of the updated moderate overlap test were available, highlighting its overall safety performance.